How to send Bitcoin from Binance app to another wallet. In order to send Bitcoin from Binance app to another wallet, first of all, depending upon which wallet it is, it doesn't matter the app, whether it is Coinbase, Trust Wallet, you can deposit to any wallet, but since you're trying to send Bitcoin, it needs to be a Bitcoin wallet address. So make sure you copy that wallet address first. Once you copy that, simply open up your Binance app, go to the portfolio tab from the bottom right, then simply go to the withdraw option. Now over here, unfortunately, I actually don't have Bitcoin exactly to show you, but I have one of these cryptocurrencies called First Digital USD. Now assuming that this was Bitcoin, because the layout is pretty much the same, you just have to enter the wallet address of the Bitcoin wallet address you're trying to send to. So it doesn't matter again whether it is Coinbase, Crypto.com, Trust Wallet or other cryptocurrencies app, the Bitcoin address needs to actually be Bitcoin address. So not Ethereum, not Litecoin, but Bitcoin. Enter the network, withdrawal amount, tap on withdraw. If you have some BTC, it will get successfully sent. So this way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically send Bitcoin from Binance app to another wallet. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.